Bakit yung mga mabubuting tao, they're experiencing bad things? Kasi it's not about how good you are. It's about the energy that you carry. Kailangan kasi talaga, you check your energy. Because the real currency in this world is energy. Law of attraction tayo. If you're interested, read the book. The law of attraction, it talks about positive and negative energy. Kasi lahat ng bagay sa mundo, enerhiya. Kahit pa ibang table na ito, may enerhiya. So, ito yung pinaka-gist ng The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Sabi niya, and it's true, the energy you give off is the energy you attract. So, kung negative siya, what's negative? Anything that is making you feel uncomfortable is negative. You worry, you get angry, you get fearful, all the negative energy, pangit yan. I'm not saying na hindi ka na matatakot. No, it's more of being mindful. Oops, ano ba yung emotional state ko ngayon? When you're bored, when you're frustrated, negative yan. Kung wala kang gana, negative yan. Kasi ano positive? Positive talaga, pinakamaganda is you're joyful, you're hopeful, pa. Pero opposite lahat niyan, negative siya. So, this now goes to yung pinaka-frustration na karamihan. Diba? Mabuting tao naman ako. Bakit ganyan nangyayari sa buhay? Bakit yung mga mabuting tao, they're experiencing bad things? Kasi it's not about how good you are. It's about the energy that you carry. So, even if by nature yung heart mo ayaw mo manakit, diba? Pero maya-maya, nainis ka kasi nasasaktan ka. Ayaw mo mandaya, pero ikaw na nadaya ka kahit galit ka. It's just not the truth. So, honestly, you don't get what you deserve. You get what you are. Kaya even if nadaya ka, don't pikon. You need to let things flow. Kasi negative yun eh. Oops, nadaya ako. Oops, dismayado ako.